Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the BVM online class. Okay, today, Max. The previous class, I teach about the chapter 1 and chapter 2. Now I teach chapter 3, Theory of Equation. The Theory of Equation is very easy chapter. Important role in mathematics. Theory of Equation is a very important role in mathematics. Right. Introduction of the theory of equation to finding the roots of the polynomial equation. Already you know that the polynomial equation is p of x is equal to an x power n plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus etc. a naught equal to 0 is called the polynomial equation of degree n is very important. X power n, x equal to power n, therefore degree is n, where an not equal to 0, very important, an not equal to 0. All the coefficient a1, a2, etc. an belongs to the complex number c. X is real or complex value, where x is the real or complex value. Then how many roots are there? There are n roots are there, because the polynomial an x power n, an is the coefficient of x power n, an minus 1 is the coefficient of x power n minus 1, a naught is the constant term equal to 0. We already studied in the previous classes. Okay, right. Now I am solving the polynomial equation to finding the roots of the polynomial equation. The first we can teach about the quadratic equation. So quadratic equation, already 10th standard you study about the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means what? That is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The degree 2 is called the quadratic equation, where a not equal to 0. How to solve? We know that the formula has a two rules are there. X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Have two rules, that is, we have two rules are there. Two rules are two rules. Let us take alpha minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. Beta is equal to plus minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. We have the two roots there, alpha, beta. Now, this year I am discussing about the Vieta's formula. The new topic, Vieta's formula. What is the Vieta's formula? That is Vieta's formula. Vieta's formula is a new name for Vieta's. Already 10th standard, you study the 10th standard. Solving the quadratic equation, here the two rules are there. Now the Vieta's has been find out the new formulas. That is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a not equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus b by a into x plus c by a equal to 0. Let us take alpha comma beta are two roots. Then sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a plus. That's a plus symbol. This is a minus b by a. The formula is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Product of the roots. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. So therefore the equation can be rewritten as x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. So this is for a new method. The alpha plus sum of the roots equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta is equal to c by a is the root. Okay, that is x squared minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Now also then second part, that is a cubic equation. That is cubic equation beta formula. Beta's formulae for the polynomial of degree 3. That is the relationship. This is the cubic equation. So we know that ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0, a not equal to 0. So that is equal to x cube plus b by a into x square plus c by a into x plus d by a equal to 0. Let us take alpha, beta, gamma are 3 roots. So the previous again is the alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Now alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Right. Second one, alpha beta, beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a plus. Then last one is product. Alpha beta gamma equal to minus d by a. Right. The equation can be rewritten as x cube minus the sum of the roots into x squared. Then second one, product of the roots into x plus 3 product of roots. 3 product equal to 0. That is minus x cube minus that is sigma alpha into x plus sigma alpha beta, x square into x plus alpha beta minus alpha beta gamma equal to 0 plus minus equal to 0. So sigma alpha is equal to minus b by a, that is sum of the roots alpha beta gamma. Then sigma alpha beta is equal to c by a, that is equal to alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So sigma means summation. Summation means the alpha 3 roots alpha beta gamma. Summation alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha beta means alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. Summation of alpha beta is equal to alpha beta, beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Then last one is the last product. Gamma alpha beta gamma is equal to, that is minus d by a. Is very very important role. Then third one, Vita's formulae for polynomial of degree 4. That is quartic equation. It's a quartic polynomial. Is very very important. The fourth degree is called quartic polynomial. that is ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e equal to 0. So to find alpha, let us take alpha, beta, gamma, delta are 4 roots. Then sigma alpha. So we can divide a not equal to 0, divide x power 4 plus b by a into x cube plus c by a into x square plus d by a into x plus e by a equal to 0. Right. Sigma alpha is equal to minus b by a. That is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. Next one is sigma alpha beta is equal to, next one is c by a plus minus plus c by a. That is equal to alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta plus beta alpha, beta gamma plus beta delta plus gamma delta. So how to find alpha, beta, gamma, delta? Alpha, beta, alpha, gamma and alpha, delta. So cyclic alpha, beta, alpha, gamma, alpha, delta and also beta, gamma, beta, delta. The last one is gamma delta. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. Then third one, that is equal to sigma, alpha, beta, gamma. The third term is minus plus minus d by a. That is equal to alpha, beta, gamma plus alpha, beta, delta plus beta, gamma. That is equal to alpha, gamma, delta. The next one is alpha, gamma, delta. Alpha, gamma, delta. Then second one is beta, gamma, delta. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. Last one is the product. Product that is equal to alpha, beta, gamma, delta is equal to again plus minus. Last one is e by a plus e by a. That's all. Therefore, the equation can be written as x square minus sigma alpha into x cube plus sigma alpha beta into x square minus sigma alpha beta gamma into x, last one alpha beta gamma delta equal to 0. Similarly and solve about a polynomial. That is similarly to find roots of polynomial equation. Polynomial equation axn, anxn, an minus 1, xn minus 1 plus etc. plus a not equal to 0. We have the coefficient denoted as, that is equal to sigma, the coefficient of divided by an not equal to 0 divided by an, x power n plus an minus 1 by an into x power n minus 1 plus etc. plus a naught by an equal to 0. Right. That is equal to the coefficient of x power n minus 1 is equal to sigma 1. That is equal to minus sigma alpha 1. Coefficient of x power n minus 2 is equal to sigma 2 is equal to sigma minus plus alpha 1 alpha 2. Coefficient of x power n minus 3 is equal to sigma 3. equal to minus sigma alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, etc. Coefficient of x is equal to sigma, that is n minus 3, that is equal to 1, n minus 1, that is equal to n minus 1 equal to minus 1 power n minus 1, minus plus minus in general term minus 1 power n minus 1 into sigma alpha 1, alpha 2, etc. alpha n minus 1. The last term, the coefficient of x power 0, that is equal to constant term. Constant term is equal to sigma n, that is equal to minus 1 power n into alpha 1, alpha 2, etc. alpha n, where alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, etc. alpha n are n roots of the polynomial. This is the beta formulas method. So I am first to start with the quadratic equation, that is cubic equation. First we can find the quadratic equation and cubic equation. This is for the quadratic equation. Ax square is the cubic equation. Second one is the degree 3 and fourth one is the degree 4, is a quartic polynomial, is 4 roots. The last one is nth polynomial. That's all. Okay, this is the introduction for the first exercise to finding the nth roots of the polynomial.